Now let's see if I can find where I want here. Check this out, man. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, you can smell the market. Let's see, where I'm going should be, I think it's just up ahead. Let's see here. I love this area. I just don't come down here very often, but I really like it. Yes, we're on the right track. We are on the right track. I don't know where my Mr. What's he calling himself now? 2/4 Korean. I don't know where he is right now, but I'm sure he's watching, because today, here we are, Sarnies, baby. Back to Sarnies by the river. Oh, yeah. Swadika. Thank you. Bring 15. As it says, bring Sarnies merch to get 15% off. I like this place. Few people. Nice view. Very nice. Alright, let's see here. Can I do this? At the window, it's not very good. To come over here. Okay. What am I going to get today? We're off after here. We're off on a little ride. But I want some coffee so far. This morning I would like a little coffee. Longan espresso tonic. Can I have a tonic? It doesn't have any booze in it. Cookie dough espresso shake. Sounds so good. Orange mocha. There's so much good stuff in here. Dirty coffee, affogato, espresso, piccolo, bulletproof coffee. I could have a bulletproof coffee. That would be even better. Let's see how they make it out. Maybe that's wrong. I don't want to eat. Have you been to this place, Mr. 2/4 Korean? I'm gonna get a bulletproof coffee. Call bulletproof. Yeah, please.
Anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you. All right, bulletproof coffee, baby. Let's see how they do it here. The last time I came here, I had a chocolate drink. I don't know what was in it. It was chocolate something. It was very, very good. Better wear a collared shirt to Sarnies. You know I have, you bastard. There you go. I got a collared shirt on. So you know what you can do. With your collared shirt. Oh my God. It's really nice, this place, though. I really like it. And the first time I came here, I almost walked into this glass here. This is glass. It's not you feel like you can walk right through it. That's how it looks. But you can't. But this place is pretty cool. And I guess it gets going, it gets pumping at night. Because of the bar aspect, you know. And you can go upstairs. chill, baby. This is chill. You want to come to a place where you can just chill, you can get away from everything and there'll be people all around you, this is the place. Come down to the river. You can, that's how it is here. You come to a place you're pretty much all by yourself. There's people all around, but you're all by yourself. Which I like that. The sky is up. There you go. Bulletproof. Okay, thank you. Wow. Let's take a look at this bad boy. It's a regular old coffee with some coconut oil and some butter. That's what we got. I'm gonna drink that, this, that, and then we're gonna get out of here. Yeah, I can't stand the paper cup thing now. That really bothers me. It's like, why are you still serving me with a paper cup? And why is your whole staff wearing masks? I don't like that. They're not here, which is cool. They get a tip for that. Yeah, it's pretty tasty. It's good. Bulletproof coffee. I didn't have one this morning because I thought, well, I'm going to have coffee. I don't want to have a bulletproof. So that's why I'm having this. But this is the first stop. We're gonna get out of here and take the boat on the river. To destinations unknown. Destinations to be determined. Alrighty now. We got to get to the little business aspect of this stream. First of all, please do me a favor and leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, join, hit the join button. You become a member of the site. You can become a Patreon patron. You can go down in the description. You can look at everything. You can check out what you can do, if you can do anything. And if you really want to talk to me, you know, you can do that. Become a Patreon patron or whatever. But if you want a consultation, you got to get a hold of me. That's how it works. And I'd be happy to talk to you at length about whatever it is you want to talk about. Now, big shout out to Mr. Two Quarters Korean today. Because if it wasn't for him, I probably wouldn't come here. I mean, that's the honest truth. I probably wouldn't come here. But, you know, this is always a good little stop for 15, 20 minutes. Airline tickets starting to come down from West Coast to Bangkok. Ooh, yeah, baby. Well, I can tell you right now, Alex is in Japan. He called me last night, the video call, showed me around a little. He's already done that a couple times. He's so happy. He takes the train every day. He goes wherever he wants. He's very happy. But that ticket, we got the ticket. We could have got tickets for about $15,000, but he would have had to stop, and it would have taken him far long. It would have taken him like 12 hours to get to Japan. So we got him a direct flight. Wait a minute. We got him a direct non-stop flight from Bangkok to Tokyo, and it was 20,000 baht. So that tells you that's round trip. It's 20,000 to go to Japan. What is it to go to LA? I mean, it's just a little bit more. You know, it's the fuel. So I do think the airline prices will come down once all the madness is stopped. and they get back to normal, which they're not at normal right now. Hey, didn't I ask you guys to smash the like button? Please, smash the like button. It's the least you can do. If you're watching, please smash the like button. That would be great. I'd appreciate it. There's no cost. This bulletproof coffee's pretty good. Pretty good. Well, we're gonna walk back in a minute, 5 minutes or so. We're gonna walk back, and I'm gonna jump on the boat. I'm gonna go upriver. I think it's upriver. Upriver, downriver. I think it's upriver. Popcorn latte. Espresso, your choice of milk, and house-made popcorn syrup, crafted with fresh corn, white chocolate, and a hint of butter. 160 baht. They're always coming up with ideas at Sarnies. Sarnies is top end, I will say that. So be prepared when you come here. It's a top-notch coffee shop. I would say it's one of the better coffee shops in Thailand, but in Bangkok for sure. That's good. So how's everybody doing today? Everybody's doing great? Who's doing good like me? Going. Yummy, time to go. $863 JAL. That's pretty good. $750 for Philippine Air, you know, probably stops in the Philippines. Well, that's not a bad thing, really, if you want to stop there. Well, you know, a bad day of fishing is a good day. I used to go fishing all the time when I was a kid, out in the ocean, and for bass, for trout, bass. What was the other thing that was in? I forget what the other one was. I think I paid around $700 from one way to Bangkok, from Dallas, Korean. I paid extra to pick my seats. Was that this time or the last time? So wait. Nobody's paying attention. Go ahead, check menu. So 165 baht. It's 140 baht plus they charge tax, plus they charge 10% service charge. 165 baht. That's what it costs. So there you go. Thank you. Let's get out of here. Ready to bail. Time to get on down the road. All right, now let's see which way I can go. Sarnies, nightlife. All right, I'm out in the great outdoors, the great wide open.